Okay, rolling.
All right, guys, now we're going to, guys and girls, we're going to reinforce the top of this door. What it came with factory-wise, and it gets the job done, but over time, it's a bow. So we're gonna remove some of this stuff. Okay, we use a special type of screw for this. It's called a self-tapper. We have a whole bunch of new ones here. Self-tappers, and we're basically a screw and a drill combined. You see that little tip right there? That allows me to screw it into the metal without using the drill as well. Wonderful product. As far as nuts and bolts go, kind of expensive though, but we couldn't do our job without it. So the first thing we do is we take this new bracket, obviously much nicer, much bigger, and we're gonna apply it to the door. It's gonna give us strength right here. It's very common for this part of the door to rip off over time. I started watching this video because yours ripped off. So the first thing you do is undo your hinge. And boy, we're too big. Okay, well, that is designed to be adjustable. So we're gonna wanna adjust this. Because every kind of garage door panel is gonna have a different panel width. 18 inches, 20 inches, 22 inches. So it's pretty common to have to adjust it. This is how we adjust it. These are all 1/2 inch bolts. We're going to make it smaller. Alright, we're going to take the pin out. Alright, our pin is out. So now, we're going to do this. Take these back up on the ladder with you. It's always good to have a helper to hand you this stuff, but that guy's holding the camera today. Alright, so we're going to take it. I don't think I've ever had one quite this small. But it will work. This is a very, very short top panel. There we go. I knew I had it in the wrong position. Self-tappers, they're nice and quiet, aren't they? Now, you should be wearing safety glasses when you do this. I do apologize, children, that I don't have safety glasses on. I had them stolen or something by the guy that's doing the video because he don't want to get his eyes hurt. I'm going to go get my 5th favorite tool. If you don't own one of these, you have to get them. It's called a stepper bit. Hey, got that kind of close, didn't you? All right, a stepper bit is designed to chop through the metal nice and efficiently. You pretty much gotta have an impact for it. It may work in the drill, I don't know. All right, so we're gonna go back through, we're gonna fix our holes. bits can cost anywhere from $5 to $50. To be honest with you, the cheap ones are just as good as the nice ones in my opinion. They last just as long. So if you need one, you can pick them up at your local box store. Don't buy the ones that are like 30 bucks because you don't need it. I do this every day, all day, and I don't need it, so I doubt you do. Almost. Ooh, these do create a considerable amount of heat. So be careful sticking your fingers in there after that. They can get a little hot. Alright, now we're going to tighten this off and get on to the struts. By the way, these don't only take this long. Just happens to be that this door has small panels. Alright, now that's going to let this door open and close for the long haul for many years to come. A garage door strut. These are structurally engineered pieces of metal designed to let the garage door go up and down. If your garage door's bowed in the middle, you can put them in. Just put them wherever you might have a bow. I'm kind of an old man. I remember that guy that used to do the painting on like PBS. Just put a little bush right here. How about a bird in the bush? I don't know if you guys remember that or not. That guy was cool. Well, when you had 3 channels on TV, it was cool, I guess. Now you guys get to watch YouTube and me. I'm still deciding how I'm going to handle my fan door. Sticks out on one side or the other, you're going to have a problem. Hey, that one didn't work. Oh, my battery's going dead. Yes, I am dual handleable. Michael, thought you said a dual handleable? Or would that be ambidextrous? Which one sounds better?
Ambidextrous.
I told you not to talk when you're doing the videos, man. Now it's all screwed up. By the way, Michael is the pretty one in the video. That's why I'm not letting him on there. I don't want him to make me look bad. Okay guys, we are about to finish up this portion of the video. So we're going to adjust the opener a little bit. Get the ball in line. But here in a second, my stepper hole is not quite the right size. All right, Michael, you still want to step a bit? You take my fifth favorite tool. Oh, there it is. That's why you buy the cheap ones. When you lose it, you don't have to be all mad that you just lost $30. And if any of my customers are watching this, they'll be like, yeah, he does always talk that much when he works. All right, now you can see the door's up a little bit. So we're gonna have to adjust this down. We'll do that in a different video, adjusting the garage door opener. But as you can see, this door is going to go up and down beautifully, and with a couple minor adjustments, it'll shut all the way. Look at that. So that door is nice and quiet, it's reinforced, and it has a torsion system that's going to last for years. Now we're going to be doing this to all three doors here, ensuring the customer has a great setup, a great system, and then we're going to be adding some under seal. We're going to replace, Michael, you see that out here? Show them the under seal. This is encapsulated under seal. Right there, it fits on like this. It's designed to replace this under seal here. This door actually came factory with an encapsulated under seal, but a lot of garage doors, this will be a upgrade or an unfortunate alternative. Some people don't like the way it looks because it will make a black line right here, but in certain situations, this is the only option you have depending on the age of the door. But this customer is fine with the black line, and that's what he had before, so the way he's gonna get today. Thanks so much for watching our videos, and if you have any questions, by all means give us a call. And if you don't like anybody talking, I'll send out somebody that's quiet.